A giant leap introducing Titan X and EON-X. Space exploration fuels our imagination. It pushes us to reach beyond our limits. Today we stand at the cusp of a new era in space travel. Our journey takes us to the heart of SpaceX's ambitious project, the EON-X STARSHIP. This is not just another rocket. EON-X represents humanity's next giant leap, a vessel designed for interplanetary voyages. But before EON-X can grace the cosmos, it needs a powerful engine to break free from Earth's gravity. This is where Titan X comes in. Titan X is a super heavy lift launch vehicle. It's a technological marvel designed to propel EON-X into the vast expanse of space. Its power is awe-inspiring, capable of generating millions of pounds of thrust. The success of EON-X hinges on the performance of Titan X. Rigorous testing is crucial. This ensures that Titan X can handle the immense responsibility of launching EON-X. We need to be sure that Titan X is up to the task. In the following sections, we will delve into the meticulous testing process of Titan X. We will explore the groundbreaking technology and the challenges involved. Join me as we embark on this thrilling journey towards the stars. Earthbound Fury, the static fire test. Before a rocket kisses the sky, it must first prove its mettle on the ground. This happens through a crucial test called the static fire test. Picture this: the colossal Titan X secured to the launch pad, its engines roaring with restrained power. This is the static fire test in action. During this test, the rocket's engines ignite at full throttle. However, the rocket remains firmly anchored to the ground. This might seem counterintuitive. Why fire the engines if the rocket isn't going anywhere? The answer lies in the data. The static fire test is all about gathering crucial information.
Engineers meticulously monitor every aspect of the engine's performance. They measure the thrust, fuel pressure, and temperature. They also study the vibrations and acoustics. This data is like a health check for the rocket, revealing any hidden issues.
The static fire test is a vital step. It confirms that the rocket's engines are healthy. It also validates the complex systems that control the launch. Any anomaly detected during this test could mean the difference between a successful launch and a catastrophic failure. Reaching for the stars, the high-altitude flight test. With the static fire test successfully completed, Titan X is ready for its next challenge. This is the high-altitude flight test. This is where things get really exciting. This is the first time Titan X will taste the freedom of flight. The high-altitude flight test is a pivotal moment in the development of any rocket. It's the moment of truth when years of meticulous planning, engineering, and hard work culminate in a spectacular display of power and precision.
The primary objective of this test is to evaluate the rocket's performance under real-world conditions. This includes assessing its aerodynamic stability, control systems, and engine performance at high altitudes and supersonic speeds.
Indeed, the high-altitude flight test is a critical step towards ensuring that Titan X is ready for its ultimate mission, launching the EON-X STARSHIP into the cosmos. Section 4. The Dance of Separation, staging a controlled breakup. As Titan X ascends through the atmosphere, it sheds weight. This is not an accident. This is a carefully orchestrated maneuver called stage separation.
Titan X, like many rockets, is designed in stages. Each stage is essentially a giant fuel tank with its own set of engines. The first stage is the workhorse. It gets the rocket off the ground and through the thickest part of the atmosphere. Once its fuel is spent, the first stage detaches.
The second stage, carrying less weight and with its own powerful engines, then ignites, carrying the payload further towards space. Stage separation is a critical moment. It demands absolute precision. Any miscalculation can send the rocket tumbling back to Earth. Successful stage separation is a testament to the engineering prowess of the team behind Titan X. Section 5. Homecoming, the art of landing a rocket. Reaching space is only half the journey. For a rocket to be truly reusable, it needs to come back to Earth safely. This is where things get really tricky. Landing a rocket is like balancing a pencil on its tip. It requires incredible precision and control. Titan X is designed to be fully reusable. This includes both the first stage and the second stage. The first stage, after separating, uses its engines to perform a series of carefully calculated burns. These burns slow it down and steer it back towards the landing pad. The landing itself is a sight to behold. The first stage descends vertically, its engines firing to control its descent. At the last moment, the engines fire a final burst, slowing the rocket to a gentle stop. Section 6. Triumph and Beyond. The road ahead for EON-X. The successful testing of Titan X is a monumental achievement. It marks a significant step towards realizing the EON-X STARSHIP program. It showcases what we can achieve when we combine ambition with engineering brilliance.
However, our journey doesn't end here. The road to space is paved with countless challenges. The team at SpaceX understands this. They will continue to refine and improve Titan X based on the data gathered from these tests. The ultimate goal is clear: to launch the EON-X STARSHIP.
EON-X represents a new era in space exploration. It has the potential to take humans further than ever before, to Mars and beyond. The success of Titan X brings us one step closer to realizing that dream. Section 7. A universe of possibilities. The future of space exploration. The development and testing of rockets like Titan X and spacecraft like EON-X are not just about reaching new destinations. They are about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. They are about inspiring future generations to look up at the stars and dream big. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. It is up to us, the current generation of explorers, to develop the tools and technologies that will allow us to venture further into the cosmos. The future of space exploration is bright, filled with possibilities that we can only begin to imagine. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain: our journey among the stars has just begun.